watching this video, you will not run out of video ideas ever again. Hello, my name is Erika Vieira and I am a YouTube strategist and coach. And on this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you over 75 video ideas, but not just any video ideas, but video ideas that are actually backed by data that have grown the last year and that will most likely continue to be popular in 2021. All the data that I'm citing to you is from Google. I love using Think with Google as a resource. So I did a lot of work, a lot of digging. A lot of these video ideas you can apply to different niches, and because it's backed by data, you know that by trying out these videos, putting your own spin on it, it has a really good chance of going viral or bringing you more views and subscribers on your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get going. The first one, and I've got it all here, I've got everything here because I don't want to forget. The first one is with me videos. This is a trend that started in 2010, originally by the beauty community. I'm sure you're familiar with the get ready with me videos. But in 2020, when the pandemic hit, this type of video, and I'm not just talking about beauty related, I'm gonna go into other types of similar videos. This type of with me video increased by a whopping 600% according to Google. So these are some of the video topics related to this that have done very, very well according to Google. Get ready with me prom, get ready with me ASMR, clean with me, speed clean with me pregnant, clean with me all day, deep clean with me, pack with me for vacation, pack with me with kids, pack with me hospital bag, plan with me, planning and journaling and all that's super popular now, but plan with me, bullet journal, plan with me, happy planner, plan with me 17 is one that did really well. Journal with me K-pop, journal with me art, journal with me traveler's notebook, study with me live, study with me unjaded jade. I have no idea what that is, but apparently that was very popular. Study with me Pomodoro session. Paint with me acrylic, paint with me Jim Reno. Again, I have no idea. Paint with me abstract, draw with me Procreate, draw with me buildings, draw with me Disney, pen pal with me. Pen pal is a thing now. People have been really into it. Pen pal with me, real-time pen pal with me themes, K-pop pen pal with me, and then decorate with me and organize with me. Another aspect of this with me that has been incredibly popular is an immersion retail. So basically with stores being closed, and people just not wanting to go out as often as they used to, but still craving that retail experience, these types of videos, which are shop with me videos, and I find these to be so popular among stores like Costco or Trader Joe's or TJ Maxx is hugely popular in the makeup community, Ulta. So anything shop with me, and you can get really, really specific too. You know, shop with me for under $10 wine at Trader Joe's. Shop with me for the best keto finds at the Dollar Tree. Those are both two topics that some of my boot campers have done. So those videos are really, really, really popular. Another very popular video type that was what they call I want it, but I don't want to pay for it. For basically, it's anytime people type in that looks like. So tile that looks like wood, furniture that looks like Pottery Barn, furniture that looks like Restoration Hardware, sunglasses that look like Chanel, watch that looks like a Rolex. Another similar type of viewership that is going to continue to grow in 2021 is the term similar to. Similar to AirPods, similar to Dyson Airwrap, similar to Olaplex, similar to Netflix but free, similar to iPad. So these types of videos basically where people want the stuff, but they don't want to pay for it. So they want something that's similar to, they want something that looks like. Another similar type of video topic is searches for under a certain dollar amount. So, cheap window air conditioners under $100. Hotels near me under $100. Foundations under $10. Best Trader Joe's wine under $10. So you can apply this to anything, just use the under and in a certain dollar amount. Another category that has increased according to Google is obviously, and I think this is no surprise, cooking at home. More and more people in the last year were cooking at home. Things probably might or might not change next year, but views of cooking related videos on YouTube increased by 45%. Popular topics include fast and easy meals, gourmet cuisine, and specialty baking. Another category that's done very well, and at no surprise, is anything related to stress reduction. So stress reduction on YouTube is hot right now. Views of meditation related videos were 51% higher in 2020 than they were in 2019. And uploads and views of these types of videos are at an all-time high. Another type of video that increase in interest that you might consider doing is videos related to nature sound. So there was a 25% increase in viewership last year on videos related to nature sound. And I'm gonna put all the links in the description below so that you can check it out and do your own research. Another type of video that's done really, really well are day in the life videos. So it seems like everybody's doing a day in the life type of video, and it's for good reason. In 2020, these videos increased in views 85% compared with the previous year. So examples of this is day in the life as a homeschool mom, day in the life as a mom of 5, day in the life of a full-time YouTuber, day in the life as a minimalist. Minimalism is also something else that has been very popular. I can't find data about that, but that, from my observation of working with so many YouTubers and just spending hours and hours and hours studying YouTube, minimalism is a really popular trend, and I don't think it's slowing down anytime soon. Another topic that has increased in viewership is homeschooling, which also comes at no surprise. Average daily views from videos with the title Homeschool increased over 120% globally since March of 2020. Another category that increased in viewership is anything at home, which that's a no-brainer. But globally, watch time of how-to videos that include at home in the title has increased more than 50% year over year. And a couple of trends within that trend is cafe-style coffee. And one trend that went really crazy in 2020 was Dalogna, or whipped coffee. And another one was making sourdough, which actually saw a 260% spike. Another trend is cutting your hair at home that increased by 40% this year, as well as search for hair clippers increased by 100%. Another topic that is very popular that you can pretty much apply to any niche is anything with the words for beginners or step by step. Those words saw an increase of 65% viewership year over year. So here are some other types of video topics that I wasn't able to find data to back this up, but based on my observation has increased in popularity and will most likely increase in popularity in the future. And keep in mind, my full-time job, in addition to creating content, is working with YouTube content creators. I manage several YouTube channels, and I run a bootcamp for women, a YouTube bootcamp for women with hundreds of students. So my day, every day, is spent studying YouTube, looking at analytics for YouTube. So these are just my observations, and things that I've seen that are really, really popular are room tours. Any type of room tour or home tour, apartment tours, nursery tour, minimalist home tour. So any type of tour at home of any space at home is really popular. And I mentioned minimalism earlier. Declutter videos. Declutter is so popular ever since the Marie Kondo thing came out a few years ago. Decluttering and organizing has been so popular, and it continues to be really popular. I think just with people being at home more often, they just want that space to be nice and not be cluttered. So declutter videos. Other videos that I see are really popular are anything, any hauls, any reviews, anything related to Amazon, big time. Anything Amazon related does really, really, really well. Other stores that I find are really, really popular are Zara. Zara hauls have done incredibly well this year, and I see that continuing for 2021. Dollar Tree, anything Dollar Tree, Costco, Walmart, or Target. Other videos that do very well are reaction videos, and you can apply this to any niche. So, for example, Hiram, I had him on the podcast. One of the video topics that really put him on the map was reacting to TikTok videos. So reacting videos does really well. Aziland does incredible with all her reaction videos. A lot of my students have come on and created these really awesome reaction videos. And so I've seen a lot of success with reaction. But you do want to keep in mind with these types of videos, you do have to have the knowledge and the personality to really pull it off. Anything I try. Sierra Soltze does these videos really well. Kelty O'Connor, who I also had on the podcast, does these videos really well. You know, I try this person's exercise routine. I try this person's routine. And what's really beneficial about that one is you're leveraging the popularity of another YouTuber or celebrity. So, you know, I try Chloe Ting's workout routine. I can't even think of somebody, but whoever's day in the life, I try their morning routine. And so I try videos do very, very well, and I see them continuing to do well. Hauls are still popular, especially if you do it related to those stores I mentioned earlier, like Amazon, Target, Zara. But you have to have try on. Try on is important if you're going to be doing clothes. You can't just do a haul anymore. You have to do a try on. So if you're going to do Stitch Fix, unboxing, or any type of clothing haul, you have to do a try on with it. Routines are so popular with more people at home. They continue to be popular. Aesthetic routines, morning routine, 5 a.m. routine, night routine with kids, morning routine with toddlers, morning routine with a newborn. Anything you can think about related to routines, do it. Behind the scenes of YouTube is always really important. So, you know, what I made on YouTube in the past year, what I made this month from YouTube, my filming setup, how I edit, anything related to how to do things on YouTube is always really popular. Collection videos. So whatever your niche is, I would show your collection. If it's designer handbags, shoes, makeup, whatever it is, collection videos do very well. Unboxings, I kind of mentioned a little bit earlier, Stitch Fix. So unboxings do very well, but here's the key with unboxings. You gotta be one of the first ones. If you're doing Stitch Fix or FabFitFun or one of those, there's just no point if you're gonna do it after everybody else has done it. Unless you've already got a big audience and people tune into you for those videos, and of course, you know, throw that advice out the window. But for the most part, if you are gonna do an unboxing for any type of PR package or any type of, say, a Stitch Fix or FabFitFun or any of those, you gotta be first. Hacks still do well on YouTube. They've always done well on YouTube, and they'll continue to do well. The difference is you wanna be really creative and very specific with the hacks. So if it's mom hacks for a messy 1-year-old, hair care hacks for people with oily short hair care hacks for people with oily hair that exercise a lot. You know what I'm saying? So you want it, hacks are great, but you really want to get specific in what you're doing it. You don't just want to do 9 life hacks that will change your life. Like, everybody's done that. You could try it, but you really want to get specific. Cleaning hacks is also really popular. Anything cleaning is huge right now. And then roundup videos like best of the year, best of the month. I mean, it's kind of along the lines of favorites, but you want to get more specific. A lot of it is really getting specific with your niche and your audience. You know, best hair shampoos for people that work out. Best jeans for petite women under 5'1". You'll get very, very specific with your roundups and best of. So that's it. That's what I got for you. That's a lot of video ideas. If anybody wants to count them, feel free. You can put the number in the comments below. But let me know, are you planning on trying any of these videos? Have you done any of these videos? Have these videos done well for you? Save this video, refer back to it, because you have a ton of video ideas now that really you can apply to any niche. So make sure you like this video and subscribe, because I come out with 2 videos every single week to help you grow your YouTube channel. Mwah.